What is the data preparation process? The data preparation process is an integral part of using data to generate business intelligence. Good data preparation is vital to getting good results, as it helps eliminate errors in analysis, makes the analysis process more efficient, and makes prepared data more accessible to all stakeholders. It's crucial to understand all the component parts of preparing data and to select the right tools for data preparation to ensure that this crucial step gets accomplished without a hitch. Why? Today's businesses depend on data analysis to generate actionable business intelligence. This can then be used for a wide variety of purposes, including crafting business plans and strategies, improving customer relations, and fine-tuning products and services. While collecting data is a pivotal part of the process, it's crucial to prepare the data the right way beforehand, so it can be directly fed into data analysis and BI tools to commence the analysis process. Let us take a deep dive into the data preparation process. Look at some of the important variables and pay attention to some fundamental things to keep in mind. The basics of data preparation. The process of data preparation entails cleaning, organizing, and transforming raw data before it can be sent for processing and eventual analysis. Depending on the kind and volume of data you're working with, this can involve combining multiple sets of data into larger, more integrated volumes, making corrections to the data wherever needed, and reformatting the data to make it easier for processing and analysis tools to access it later. Data preparation can be a long, tedious process. However, it cannot be overlooked as it has a direct impact on the integrity of the results of data analysis. It is a crucial first step if you want to preserve high standards of data quality, eliminate any kind of data bias, and properly contextualize the data so that it can be turned into valuable business insights. The process of data preparation, in addition to standardizing the data format, also enriches the source data or removes fringe data elements to enhance data quality. If you want quality results from your analysis and BI tools, any errors, missing values, and other inaccuracies need to be put to bed during the data preparation process. The final step of data preparation is to store the processed data into the right data repository, which can be a data lake, a data warehouse, or a NoSQL style database. The preparation work itself is usually tackled by IT teams, data management teams, and BI teams. However, data analysts can also make use of a self-serve data prep tool to prepare the data by themselves. In such cases, specific datasets can also be curated for self-service BI tools for analysts and other users. What are the main processes of data preparation? The data preparation process includes several stages serving important purposes when it comes to cleaning, preparing, and categorizing the data for future use. While there might be subtle variation in these stages depending on the use case and the type of data involved, the basic stages are generally the same. Here's a quick overview of the various stages. Collection. This is the initial stage of the process where data is gathered and brought to a central location from disparate sources. This can include data lakes and warehouses, operational systems, and other sources of data. This stage is also a great time for data analysts and BI team members to take a first look at the data and to decide whether it is overall good fit for the application that it is destined for. Great care needs to go into this step, as it's easy to assume that data from a trusted source will always be quality data, but that is not always the case. The second stage is discovery and profiling. This crucial stage involves taking a detailed and in-depth look at the collected data to develop a clear, concise understanding of the contents. This understanding helps data teams create a concrete plan regarding how exactly to prepare the data for its intended use. At this stage, data teams will also invest time and resources in data profiling, a process that identifies several important data qualities and characteristics that can further help with the preparation process. During profiling, it is standard practice to look for common attributes, similarities, and patterns so that data can be categorized along these lines. Data profilers will also look for missing data, inconsistencies in the data, and anomalies so that these problems can be resolved before the next stage. Cleaning. During the data cleaning, the errors and inconsistencies identified in the earlier stage are sorted out. Once these are resolved, the data can be used to create datasets that are accurate, reliable, and complete. This involves fixing or altogether removing faulty data, harmonizing data entries that are inconsistent, and filling in any missing values or fields. Structuring and data wrangling. In this stage, the data is structured, organized, and modeled so that it can be contained into a common unified format that makes it easy to access and process later on in the data analysis chain. It is at this stage that a process called data wrangling or data monking is carried out. While data cleaning has directly to do with the content of the data wrangling is concerned more about the format of the data itself. Data wrangling involves a series of processes that serve to transform the raw data into formats that are usually used in data analysis. This can involve combining several datasets into one integrated dataset. Final steps. Validation and publishing are the final steps of the data preparation process. Usually, automated routines are used to validate the data against existing sources or models. These routines measure important metrics like completeness, accuracy, and consistency. This data is then finally published into the favored data repository for future use. Have questions? Call or email us anytime. At NextPhase, we help clients like you take advantage of the newest cloud platforms and services. Thanks for watching.